This is the One Car Stereo AI Box HE Pro, a mouthful that can supercharge your car's stereo. Inside the box, you get some helpful instructions that explain all it can do. The unit itself, which feels really nice and features a built-in HDMI cable, SIM card and SD slot, and USB power. Also in the box, you get a USB-C to C cable, 2.0 to C cable, HDMI converter, and extra power cable in case your USB slot needs a boost, with instructions. Attach the unit. Let's test the lag and hop into Apple CarPlay mode. The touchscreen is super responsive, so let's connect the AI box via Bluetooth and set up CarPlay on my phone. Once connected, your standard CarPlay screen will load, and it's super fast. I'll show Spotify as an example too. Works great and super fast. Now that we're connected, let's test out YouTube.
Just got a delivery
Perfect.
from Dog Friendly Co.
And let's test that out in full screen too.
As we get this opened up, the first thing I notice is the custom name patches.
This box allows you to run any Android app, including Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, or anything else you want to. And to get back into CarPlay mode, we just find that app. And just like that, we're back in wireless CarPlay as if it came from the factory.
And finally, the HDMI output function. So, there's an HDMI cable on the back. And I'm using a conversion cable. And the HDMI is connected here. At this stage, there is still nothing displayed on the rear monitor in the back seat. Go into the settings. First, please shut down your terminal with this. If the all-seat linking is on here, turn it off. Then please change this audio to HDMI. And here, turn off the all-seat connection. Once this is done, select HDMI from the audio selection. You will then see a screen like this. So this is the HDMI output screen. Even if you touch this, you can't touch anything. You can't operate it. However, it also moved backwards like this. And after this, here comes the CarPlay mark. Pressing Power Play will take you back to the CarPlay screen. For example, you play YouTube like this. It will also play like this in the headrest screen.